17 when I kissed my father's hand and promised I'd return from a far and foreign land. The bells were ringing softly, the summer fields were gold. I thought I knew the meaning of the stories I was told. They gave us polished buttons, they gave us shining guns. They called us brave young soldiers, they called us Ireland's sons. But no man spoke of winter, or the darkness underground, or the silence of a battlefield where no birds sang their sound. And I wrote one final letter in the candle's dying light, to tell my dear old mother that I made it through the night. But the rain came down like silver, and the morning never came, and the mud became my blanket in a world without a name. So keep this old letter, though the ink has faded brown, for it carries the last words of a boy who won't come home. We slept beneath the thunder, with the earth shaking below, counting every heartbeat while the cold wind started to blow. And beside me lay a farmer from a valley far away, who spoke about his sweetheart and the children he would raise. We weren't heroes in the trenches, we were brothers in the dirt, just trying to survive another day of endless hurt. And when the guns fell quiet, there was nothing left to say, just a field of broken dreams where the young ones went away. And I wrote one final letter in the candle's dying light, to tell my dear old mother that I made it through the night. But the rain came down like silver, and the morning never came, and the mud became my blanket in a world without a name. Now the years have passed like rivers, and my hair has turned to gray, but I still hear those voices from that long forgotten day. The boys who left the harbor with a smile upon their face still walk beside me softly in that lonely, silent place. So don't sing of the glory, don't praise the marching drums. Remember all the children who never saw the sun, for every fallen soldier was somebody's pride and joy. A mother's little baby, once a laughing Irish boy. And somewhere there's a letter that was never sent away, with words that tell a story no one wanted to say. That war is not the medals, or the batters, or the fame. It's a young man's fading heartbeat calling out his mother's name.